Experience effortless beauty with the electric hair dryer and straightener rapid heat, turning every morning into a moment of confidence and self-expression. Imagine gliding through your day with sleek, smooth hair that reflects your personality and energy. This tool transforms styling into a calming, empowering ritual, helping you feel polished and ready for any occasion. Every strand becomes a statement of care and elegance, giving you the joy of looking and feeling your best. Embrace the confidence that comes from hair that moves as beautifully as you do. Number 1. Hair Straightener and Curler 2-in-1 Pink Infrared Hair. The Hair Straightener and Curler 2-in-1 Pink Infrared Hair Straightener Curler with titanium plate hair clamping board brings a sense of joy and confidence to every styling session. It allows you to transform your hair effortlessly, creating sleek, straight looks or soft, flowing curls that reflect your personality and mood. Every touch feels smooth and precise, giving a sense of control and elegance that makes styling calming and enjoyable. Fast heating in 30 seconds makes it easy to fit into busy mornings, turning routine grooming into a moment of self-care. The infrared technology adds gentle warmth that nurtures your hair while shaping it, helping each strand feel healthier and more vibrant. Using this tool, you can express creativity and style without stress, making every look feel intentional, polished and emotionally satisfying. It inspires confidence in every strand. Number 2. 2-inch-1 Mini Hair Straightener and Curler. The 2-in-1 Mini Hair Straightener and Curler with ceramic fast heating from 140 to 220 degrees Celsius brings freedom and creativity to every styling moment. Its compact design makes it perfect for short hair and travel, allowing you to feel confident and polished wherever you go. Each styling session becomes a calming ritual, turning ordinary mornings into moments of self-expression and elegance. The fast heating ensures you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying smooth, shiny hair that reflects your personality. Whether creating straight, sleek strands or soft, flowing curls, this tool makes every look feel intentional and empowering. It inspires a sense of control and joy, helping you embrace your style with ease. Carrying it along transforms styling into a simple, satisfying, and emotionally uplifting experience every day. Number 3. Hair Straightener 2-in-1 Wet to Dry Hair Dryer. The Hair Straightener 2-in-1 Wet to Dry Hair Dryer and Straightener with rapid heat up and 13 temperature auto shut off brings ease and confidence to every styling moment. It allows you to move effortlessly from damp hair to smooth, polished strands, turning ordinary routines into moments of self-care and creativity. Each use inspires a sense of control, helping you shape your look with precision and elegance. The quick heat up saves time while giving your hair a healthy, shiny appearance that feels vibrant and full of life. 13 temperature options let you find the perfect setting, making styling safer and more personalized. Whether preparing for a busy day, a special event or a relaxing morning at home, this tool transforms hair care into a calming, empowering experience. Every strand becomes a reflection of confidence, style and joy. Number 4. 2-in-1 Electric Hair Dryer and Straightener. The 2-in-1 Electric Hair Dryer and Straightener with rapid heat up and 13 temperature auto shut off for wet to dry household use transforms everyday routines into moments of confidence and care. It allows you to style your hair effortlessly, moving from damp strands to smooth, polished looks that reflect your personality and energy. Every use brings a sense of control and calm, helping you feel prepared and radiant for the day ahead. The adjustable temperature settings give the freedom to find the perfect heat for your hair type, creating styles that look healthy, shiny and full of life. Whether getting ready for work, a special occasion or a relaxing day at home, this tool makes hairstyling simple, satisfying and emotionally uplifting. Each strand becomes a statement of elegance, self-expression and personal style. Number 5. Infrared Flat Iron 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230C 2-in-1 Professional. The infrared flat iron 450 degrees Fahrenheit 230 degrees Celsius 2-in-1 Professional Salon Hair Straightener Curler with ceramic coated plate hair styler. 100 to 240 volts brings effortless elegance and confidence to every styling session. It allows you to create sleek, polished strands or soft, flowing curls that reflect your personality and mood. Each use transforms hair care into a calming, empowering ritual, giving a sense of control and creativity with every touch. The ceramic coating ensures smooth, gentle styling that enhances shine and reduces stress on your hair, making each strand feel healthier and vibrant. Whether preparing for a busy day, a special event or a relaxing moment at home, this professional tool inspires confidence and self-expression. Every style becomes a reflection of beauty, sophistication and personal charm, making each look feel intentional and satisfying.